the 90s and 2000s.
This season, your coffee orders are getting warmer, and your outlets are getting cozier. The world keeps changing, and so does COVID-19. That's why this season's COVID-19 shots have been updated. They're one of the best ways to help protect yourself against COVID-19. You can get a COVID-19 shot at the same visit as a flu shot if you're due for both, as recommended by the CDC. Talk to your healthcare provider to learn more and schedule at vaccines.gov. And don't forget to get extra cinnamon spice. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Want to know the secret to making amazing home-cooked meals?
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
I founded Made in Cookware because I believe home cooks like you deserve to enjoy professional quality kitchen tools at honest prices. Our cookware has thousands of 5-star reviews and was chosen by Chef Grant Atkins to outfit the kitchen of Alinea, Chicago's only Michelin 3-star restaurant. We're so confident you'll love our cookware that we offer free shipping, free returns, and 45-day risk-free trial. Upgrade your kitchen today at madeincookware.com. That's MADEIN cookware.com.
This Hispanic Heritage Moment on Kiss 107.9 is brought to you by your local Toyota dealers.
From humble beginnings in a small Puerto Rican town, Bad Bunny began his musical journey in his church choir. As a child, his parents exposed him to salsa and the merengue, and his greatest music inspiration growing up was Héctor Lavoe. Bad Bunny started writing his own music at just 14, then self-publishing online and rising to a global superstar by his early 20s. The Grammy-winning Puerto Rican rapper, singer, songwriter, and producer became the first artist to have an all-Spanish album reach #1 on the Billboard 200.
Toyota is a proud supporter of Hispanic Heritage Month, celebrating voices and recognizing achievements in Hispanic artists who've contributed to the history of their culture through music. Music is constantly evolving, and so is Toyota's innovation, improving generation after generation to build better vehicles with more reliability, fuel efficiency, and safety. Toyota, let's go places. What's up, California? If you're like me, you work hard for your money, and you want to know how to keep it safe. The best way to do that is by doing your own research. Here are a few of my tips to help you get started, like avoid spending or investing more than you can afford to lose. Avoid sending money to someone you don't know or haven't met in person. And finally, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Protect your money by doing your research. Get started at fpi.ca.gov/consumers. Brought to you by the California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation. This season, your coffee orders are getting warmer, and your outfits are getting cozier. The world keeps changing, and so does COVID-19. That's why this season's COVID-19 shots have been updated. They're one of the best ways to help protect yourself.
Police reported ahead.
You can get a COVID-19 shot at the same visit as a flu shot if you're due for both, as recommended by the CDC. Talk to your healthcare provider to learn more and schedule at vaccines.gov. And don't forget to get extra cinnamon spice. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
This Saturday and Sunday only at Old Navy. Get $19 sweaters for women and men. Grab this season's must-have sweaters for only $19. But hurry, it's only this Saturday and Sunday at Old Navy. Valid 9/16 and 17, select styles only.
It's time. 20 ribeyes for $40 is restocked. Yes, with crazy half-price bulk deals on steak, chicken, pork chops, and seafood. Now 3 locations: Sunrise Mall, Florence Town Center, and the Dixon Tractor Supply. Stock up at half price on all family party packs right now. Plus, 20 ribeyes for $40 until sold out. Restocked in Citrus Heights, Dixon, and Sacramento. 20 ribeyes for $40. Huge bulk deals right now on New York strips, fillets, mega ribeyes, gourmet smash burgers, plus chicken and seafood. All payments accepted. Cash, credit, debit, and EBT. Look for the big truck and big tent and signs that say 20 ribeyes for $40. Plus, huge bulk deals right now on steak, chicken, seafood, and pork at prices so low you might just cry. Now 3 locations at the Sunrise Mall, Citrus Heights, the Florence Town Center, and the Dixon Tractor Supply. On Facebook and Instagram at Stampede Ranch and Farm.
Sacramento's Farm to Fork Festival is back with crave-worthy beats and eats. Friday and Saturday, September 22nd and 23rd. And did we mention admission is free? Enjoy live sets from Ben Harper, Cannons, Michael Franti, and more. Savor bites from the best chefs in California, including a Tyler Florence barbecue experience and a James Beard food demo tent. And just to sweeten the deal, we've got hotel discounts and free Visa gift cards at participating properties. Visit farmtofork.com/stay to learn more and start planning your visit to Sacramento today. Sponsored by Sutter Health and St. Martin.
Parents know that our little ones count on us for everything, for nourishment, for protection, and for fun. But what some people don't realize is just how much support children might need if they're going through something difficult. 1 in 3 kids in California are facing challenges that could turn into toxic stress, which can lead to lasting health issues, and they're counting on us to get them through it. Learn how to help your child overcome toxic stress at first5california.com.
This season, your coffee orders are getting warmer, and your outfits are getting cozier. The world keeps changing, and so does COVID-19. That's why this season's COVID-19 shots have been updated. They're one of the best ways to help protect yourself against COVID-19. You can get a COVID-19 shot at the same visit as a flu shot if you're due for both, as recommended by the CDC. Talk to your healthcare provider to learn more and schedule at vaccines.gov. And don't forget to get extra cinnamon spice. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Okay.